Hello, my name is Moses the Mentor, and thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you're here, it's because you're ready to discover a new proven way to generate consistent, reliable cash flow through rental property investing. So let me ask you, what would it mean to you if every single month you knew your rent was guaranteed, that your tenants were dependable, and that your properties were delivering strong cash flow without draining your time or energy? If that sounds like the kind of investing you've been searching for, then keep watching. Years ago, I was right where many landlords and early investors find themselves today. I was chasing down tenants for late payments, dealing with constant turnover, struggling to find reliable tenants, and spending long hours managing properties that either lost money or barely broke even. But then I made one change that transformed everything. I decided to build a rental portfolio 100% with Section 8 tenants. This was a game changer because now missed payments gone, tenant turnover dramatically reduced. Once the stress of getting paid on time was eliminated, I worked to perfect a system that didn't just help me survive as an investor, but it allowed me to thrive as an investor. I built a portfolio that brings in cash while I sleep. I've developed a 5-step system that helps both new and experienced investors earn consistent cash flow while maximizing the income potential of every rental property that they own. This system doesn't just solve the problem of timely payments, it tackles many of the headaches that landlords face, whether you're investing locally or building a portfolio out of state like I do. My system allows you to self-manage your properties and avoid the steep costs of hiring a property manager. And if you're thinking, hey, this all sounds great, but I have a career, how would I ever find the time? You don't have to worry about that because I grew my portfolio while holding a leadership role with a major communications company. So I understand how to make this work alongside a busy schedule. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll walk you through my 5-step system for increasing your cash flow, reducing your stress, and reclaiming your time. Plus, I've got an exclusive offer to help you take that first step today. Before we roll into my 5-step system, I want to take a moment to address some of the myths about Section 8 investing that I feel hold many investors back. There's a lot of misinformation out there, so let's break down each one and set the record straight. So, myth number 1, Section 8 tenants will damage your property. I hear that a lot. So let's be real. Any tenant can damage your property. This is not a Section 8 specific issue. In fact, Section 8 tenants are some of the most stable renters you can have. They're backed by a housing voucher that they value and they don't want to lose. These tenants are highly motivated to maintain stable housing and take care of their homes. You can and should screen Section 8 tenants just like you would cash tenants. I personally require a minimum credit score, a clean background check, and a security deposit of at least 1 month's rent. Plus, housing agencies conduct annual inspections to ensure your property stays safe and in good living condition. In my 5-step system, I'll teach you how to find and screen reliable Section 8 tenants so you can count on the consistent cash flow and tenants who respect your property. Myth number 2, the paperwork and regulations are overwhelming. While it's definitely paperwork that's required to get approved and also remain compliant, I've simplified it into an easy to follow process. And once you get the hang of it, everything really becomes straightforward. In my system, I'll guide you through every step from tenant approval to requesting rent increases and handling inspection reports. I assure you, the benefit of guaranteed rent far outweighs the regulations and paperwork, which makes it absolutely worth your time. Myth number 3, Section 8 rentals aren't profitable. Simply put, this is false. When renting to Section 8 tenants, you're entitled to fair market rent for your property. These rates are publicly shared by housing agencies across the country, ensuring transparency. The government understands the importance of offering competitive rent payments to help their voucher recipients secure quality housing. With that approach, Section 8 rentals can be extremely profitable. For me, it's the best of both worlds because I'm getting guaranteed rent payments and at fair market rates. You can't beat it. Myth number 4, Section 8 only works in high crime, low income areas. This is false. Section 8 tenants may be low income, but that doesn't mean that the property has to be in a low income, high crime area. In fact, I strongly advise against that. Instead, what I teach is to focus on purchasing in blue collar, C class neighborhoods. These are areas where Section 8 tenants can live comfortably and safely, places that they not otherwise could afford without this assistance. Buying in high crime areas might seem tempting because of the lower price point, but trust me, there's a reason those prices are so low. Choosing a better neighborhood not only protects your investment, but it also ensures your property will attract reliable tenants and remain secure, even during vacancies. Myth number 5, managing Section 8 properties will be a full-time job. Now, here's where my 5-step system truly stands out, because managing my entire portfolio takes me less than a few hours a month. That's time saved, stress relieved, and most importantly, money saved. You won't need to pay a property manager 10% or more of your rent, deal with the maintenance markups, or face hefty tenant placement fees. I hate those, which typically eats up the first month's rent, which is absolutely crazy. You keep more of your income, and I'll teach you the tools and strategies to making managing your property simple and efficient, ensuring this model is profitable for you right from the start. Now that we've cleared up those myths, let's dive into my 5-step system that's going to help you create consistent cash flow every single month. Each step is crucial in creating consistent cash flow and reducing the time and effort you spend managing your properties. Here's how it works. The first step is all about choosing the right property because it sets the foundation for your success. I'll guide you in identifying properties with strong cash flow potential by focusing on essential factors like location, market trends, and property features. We'll dive into how the number of bedrooms impacts rental income and why focusing on the right square footage can save you money on maintenance and renovations. With the right property, you're setting yourself up for long-term profitability and consistent cash flow. Step 2, securing reliable Section 8 tenants, which eliminates the worry of missed rent payments. With Section 8, you gain the stability of guaranteed monthly rent while still maintaining control through a thorough screening process. I'll teach you how to evaluate tenants for responsibility, reliability, and long-term occupancy, ensuring your property is well maintained and your cash flow remains consistent. Step 3, navigating Section 8 documentation and regulations. While there is a process involved, my system helps to streamline it all for you, helping you handle everything efficiently with realistic expectations. By following my step-by-step system, you'll navigate the paperwork with ease, earn guaranteed rent, and maintain compliance, all without the stress. Step 4, efficient self-property management. A major strength of my system is how little time it takes to actually manage your property on a monthly basis. I'll teach you the tools and strategies to self-manage your properties, whether you're local or you're out of state. This will eliminate the need for a property manager who's taking 10% or more of your income and also has these crazy placement fees, saving you thousands of dollars a month, reclaiming your time, and maintaining full control of your portfolio. Step 5, maximizing rental income. The last step of the process is where I'll show you how to maximize your rental income by setting strategic rents and staying competitive in the market. You'll learn techniques to maintain stable occupancy, request justified rent increases, and ensure consistent income growth, all while minimizing tenant turnover and maximizing profitability. Now that you understand the power of these steps, let me tell you about the 5-step system to consistent cash flow program. With my program, you're getting everything you need to put this system into action, including lifetime access to the 5-step system, where every step is explained in detail with over 25 lessons. All updates and additions are yours for life, so you can revisit the course whenever you need to. Next, weekly live Q&A calls. This is where you'll connect with me live each week to deepen your learning. All calls will be recorded, so even if you miss them, you can watch them whenever you like. The third thing you'll get is priority email assistance. Students to this program receive access to a private email box where you can ask questions and receive personalized support from me anytime. On top of this, I'm giving away two major bonuses to accelerate your success. And the first one is huge, which is my Cleveland Market Blueprint. Learn why Cleveland is my go-to market for rental property investing, where I consistently net $500 or more per unit a month. This bonus course gives you the ability to mirror my exact strategy and have access to all of my key contacts to get your investing off the ground or to add on to it. The second bonus is lifetime student pricing for one-on-one coaching, where you'll get 50% off my normal price for life, where you can tap into me for individual coaching sessions for personalized support whenever you need it. So just tap in. This comprehensive premium level program eliminates the guesswork, maximizes efficiency, and dramatically increases your cash flow, helping you double, triple, or even quadruple your monthly return on investment. You don't have to do this alone. Fast track your success and join my proven program and invest in yourself for a one-time charge. You'll not only increase your cash flow significantly, but you'll also save thousands annually in management fees and hundreds of hours spent managing your properties. Not to mention weekly access directly to me for questions for life. This program pays for itself many times over, making it a decision that will transform your rental property business into a stress-free, high-profit operation. This is your moment to create a rental property portfolio that delivers reliable cash flow. It works for you, not against you. With my proven system, you'll eliminate the headaches of property management while building financial stability and freedom through rental property investing. Don't wait. Click the link below now and take this first step forward to building a Section 8 rental property portfolio that gives you freedom, steady cash flow, and complete control over your financial future. Thank you.